preservation methods. Canning and bottling. In this method, food is packed in airtight cans so that germs do not grow on them. Example, milk powder is preserved by this method. Drying. It is the removal of water content from the food by drying it in the sunlight. Chilies and fishes are preserved by this method. Addition of sugar. When sugar is added to food, it dissolves in the water content of the food and preserves the food items from spoilage. Jam and fruit juices can be preserved by this method. Pickling. Pickling is the process of preserving or extending the lifespan of food without spoiling. Vinegar, add oil, salt act as preservatives in pickles. Addition of salt. When salt is added to food, it removes the water from the food. Freezing. Fruits and vegetables can be prevented by this method. The microbial growth and the enzyme activity on the frozen food items can be prevented by this method. Vacuum sealing. Vacuum sealing is a method of storing and preserving food in an airless environment, usually in airtight pouches, to prevent the growth of microorganisms. It protects the food from dehydration. Smoking over fire. Smoking is the process of flavoring, browning, cooking, or preserving the food by exposing it to smoke from burning. It is one of the oldest methods, arisen shortly after the development of cooking with fire. Addition of chemical preservatives. Chemical preservatives are added to stop the growth of microorganisms in certain food materials. Example, sodium benzoate is added with fruits. Sulfur dioxide is added with dry fruits. Irradiation. Irradiation is a modern method by which food is exposed to gamma rays or ultraviolet rays to kill the bacteria and the mold. It does not affect the taste of the food or nutritive value of the foods. Onions and potatoes are preserved by this method.